To fix, Windows 11 airplane mode won't turn off. Click in Search, type Services and select Run as Administrator. Once the Services window opens, scroll down and look for Radio Management Service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic or manual. If the service is stopped, click on Start. Then select Apply and OK. If the problem is still there, right-click on Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, then right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, such as Intel, Realtek, or Qualcomm. Choose Properties. Click on Power Management tab and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then click on OK and restart your computer. If airplane mode is still stuck, press the power button for 10 seconds on your laptop and completely shut down your laptop. Disconnect the charger and any external devices. Now press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. After that, reconnect the charger and turn the laptop back on. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.